All that's in the past.
Yes, of course. Tomorrow morning, when they plant him 6 feet deep and shovel in the dirt, I shall be truly free. And unless he's figured out a way to come back from the dead, nothing that anyone does or says about him will ever make any difference again. Shall we do some work?
That reminds me.
What is it?
The chief thinks that you should give the eulogy.
What?
The tribute.
Me?
You knew him intimately,
I hated him intimately.
but you're the expert who's going to track down his murderers.
I'm the expert who would love to kiss his murderers, don't you understand?
Now, the PR people loved the angle.
Sacrilege! I won't do it.
Politics.
No, I'm a good Catholic.
So is the chief's wife.
I don't care. What's she got to do with it?
She wrote the speech.
Ladies and gentlemen, honored guests, dear friends, we are gathered here to say goodbye to a great man. Not only was he a model police officer, a brilliant detective, admired and respected by his fellow officers and all those who were fortunate enough to know him. He was, above all else, a modest man. His kind will not pass this way again, and our loss is surely heaven's gain.
Present arms. Fire. Fire. Fire.
Get rid of that woman.
Talk about it later.
I want your answer now, or I sue for divorce.
I'm warning you, Teresa.
What are you going to do? Have me killed?
Paquesemus Domine, ancum servot functo misericordiam, factor sum non resalvicem, qui tuam votis tui voluntatem ut secutium fia filus turmis, itas del coris per Christum Dominum nostrum. Amen. Requiem aeternam Dona Domine, et lus perpetual requiescant in pace. Amen. Ancum servot functo misericordiam.